Hello everyone, gonna show you what I'm doing here. Taking down this old chimney in the back of my house. This has been quite a job for me. I've been working on this for quite a while. Now, got a pair of chimneys going up on the back side of my house. They're obsolete chimneys and they just need to come down because of safety issues. Also, I'm renovating the room on the inside and I'm putting windows back here. So I need to cut out the windows. And the window framing starts like right around here where this foam is. That's actually one of the drill holes that I covered up from last winter. And so I had to bring the chimney down because the framing of the window would impede that. So I managed to take one half down just by hand. There it is there. And it was quite the job. It was basically, the chimney was serving an oil burning furnace in the basement that came out through there. And it was a really shady construction job. And they didn't put any flashing around the chimney. So rainwater, snow melt was just coming down here, and this, I'm trying to point it out, this right there, that is, it's a post and beam framed house. And so rainwater actually just rotted the beam. And so I may have some structural issues to deal with. Now this second half of this chimney, I'm going to bring it down a different way. This one's much more solid than the other half. This one has been capped off a long time ago. I guess they just don't want to use it anymore. And so I'm going to bring it down a different way. I'll show you what I have rigged up here. This is attached to a crowbar. Chain attached to a crowbar all the way up there. So what I'm going to do is, if you follow it back here, I'm going to attach the rope to a winch system that I've got rigged up here in the bush. So this is in between two trees, and this winch, really heavy duty. I've used this winch for a few different projects. It's never let me down. So I've got that tied down to a tree. I just put this strap here just to hold it up off the ground. So yeah, I'm just going to winch it down. I'm making it sound like this is the first time I've done this. I actually did it for half of the other chimney. So it was right about to where you saw where the insulation was. I took that half down using this, so I know it will work. But I'm hoping that I can actually fall the entire thing down in one swoop. That's probably 30 feet. So instead of taking it down one by one, I'm going to try and do this. So I think what I'll do is I'll have my wife come out here and spot me, and I'm going to weaken some of these blocks. Probably this one here with the clean out. Maybe I'll just take my chisel and just weaken up this block or a sledge, break it, crush the motor so that it will fall right, it will pivot right from here hopefully. So, without further ado, let's get to it and see what happens. I just wanted to show one more thing before I get started on winching it. Just show you guys how exactly it's set up way up there. I just hooked the winch up to the rope. So exactly what's going on way up there at the top is that I have a crowbar, and I put the crowbar down into the chimney and all the way down. Sorry, mosquito. And so it's sticking out like this. So the head is like that, and so I have a hook with a chain on it, just pulling up against the side. So the rest of the crowbar is sitting down into the chimney. And the crowbar is about 2 feet long. I would have liked it to be longer, but I was unable to fit it between the soffit and the edge of the chimney. The other half of the chimney, I used this, worked really well. This is just a big pry bar. And I put this on it just so that it wouldn't fall down into the chimney. So that's what I used for the first half of it. But I wasn't able to, I tried to put this up in there. I wasn't able to get it in. So I'm gonna use a mini crowbar, and hopefully that'll be enough. And even if I only get, let's say 3 or 4 blocks off the top of that, that'll be huge. So let's give her a shot.
Oh, it's going! It's going! Okay, I can hear it. I can see it.
How much?
About 4.
Oh, that's it? Alright, go on. What happened? A whole bunch of tension cables. Did it come off?
No.
Well, there's just a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay, just don't. There you go.
Did you find him, Spencer?
Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, any second, there you go, woo!
Wow.
Okay, here it goes.
Oh, that's the biggest one yet. Oh man, I can do it from the bottom now. Filming?
You mean bang, 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 bang.
Thank you for the sound effects, Parker.